Right, so got the new vacuum canister for the distributor, so that's fitted. Timing is pretty much bang on, but the timing marks are so bad on these for seeing, you have to basically test drive it.
Yeah.
It's running on very slightly, but that could be because I know the mixtures are rich and your carbon stays hot on the plugs.
Yeah.
So now we've got to tune the carbs in properly, but first of all got to start it up and get it up to running temperature. Let that get some heat in it.
We have a leaky carburetor.
So we'll take the plug out and put the colour tune in, yeah?
Okay.
I'm doing one carb at a time, so that carb, even though there is a crossover to balance the two carbs, you can generally take one of the two front plugs out and do that carb, take one of the two rear plugs out and do that carb.
Okay.
You can sort of set it all at once, but you know, do one and then adjust the other carb to that, but they do vary. Right, see how rich it's running? So it's really black on the plug, yeah? That means your mixture's rich. So I'll set them both at 1.5 turns down when I've built the carbs. So they've got to come up to weaken it out because that takes the taper up on the needle.
Okay.
So there is a button on the side of them, you can, but it's, unless you've really got the right ear for these, it's very hard to do.
Yeah. So how do the tuning spark plugs actually work?
Well, you can see through them, so you can see what colour the mixture's burning at.
Right.
Yellow means it's running rich. So on idle, you want them set up to be burning a Bunsen blue. Right, so you can see that in there, look. It's got a slight tinge of blue, but mainly it's orange in there. Back in. Blue. Yours orange?
No orange.
What are you giggling at?
I'm kind of expecting some nice rich blue or something.
No, it's only because the inside of the plug's dirty. It's f***ing years old now. Right, so let's swap them over. Now when they're clean and new, yeah, it does burn bright blue.
Okay.
But it's done about 5 million cars, this thing, so. See, you can only just about see through that.
Yeah.
We'll give it a clean out. But that engine's speeding up as you weaken it. It's just, you can hear it. So. Lovely.
There you go, master.
Well, it might be a little bit cleaner.
Can't be any worse, can it? Bit better.
Tea tastes nice. Yeah, it's a bit better. Not a massive amount, it's a bit better. Right, then let's start that one up. So that's still running a bit rich, that one. See, so that carb isn't even on anything. So I'll take that throttle arm off. Yeah, so that was basically running on the back carb, not the front carb.
Right.
So let's dial those in. Take that throttle linkage off. You want to drop that.
On the floor though.
Right, I found it. Right, so now we'll set up our units in. Okay, so it's just above 1 notch.
Yep.
So that carb, and we've got nothing. So you want to wind that one up. So you're just above 1 notch, yeah? There and there. And there and there. And now you want to bring it down together. Notch. Speed up. What's that, about 700, something like that on the rev counter? There's no digits, it's just halfway, it's 500.
Yeah, 750.
Yeah, that's what we want. Okay then. Well, that should pick up nicely now. Right, we try our mixtures. Starter again, so it felt a little bit. Needs a little bit more on the timing. What's it sound like? Rich now, that's for sure. Right. Drawing the same, so water temperature is 170, 230 in the hottest, so 212 in the hottest rather. 70 pound of oil, pressure on idle, 650 revs. All that needs now is a road test. I've done the tappets twice, don't know why they're noisy. I've set them smaller than they should be and they're still noisy. Can't open them out anymore. A slight stutter there, but that's probably the points need doing again after it's been sitting. But yeah, that's pretty good.
Pleased him?
Yeah, I'll take it out for a road test because it sitting, as we know, sitting here idling. No,
it's one thing, isn't it?
It's just completely different from driving a car, you know.
Yeah.